Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are keeping well. Today, we will learn about something which is important and interesting. The topic which we will learn today is verbs is, am, are with ing form of the doing words. And verbs was, were with ing form of the doing words. Remember, verbs is, am, are the present tense form of the verb be. Let us go through some examples. In the first sentence, I am watching television. Am is a helping verb. Watch is a doing word, and we use ing with watch. And this sentence tells us that the action is happening at the present time. In the next example, the sentence says, we are watching television. Here, we have used are, which is a helping verb, because there are more than one person. We can see there are more than one person. And watch is a doing word, and we have used ing with the doing word, and the action is happening at the present time. In the next example, the sentence says, you are studying. Are is a helping verb, study is a doing word, and we use ing form after the doing word. We have used here are because the word you is there, and the action is happening at the present time. In the next example, the sentence says they are playing. We can see the children are playing. Are is a helping verb, play is a doing word, and we have used ing after doing word. And we have used here are, which is a helping verb, because we can see there are many children. So they are playing, and the action is happening at the present time. Our next example is, the boy is waiting for the school bus. We can see only one boy. That is why we have used here is. Is a helping verb. Wait is a doing word, and we have used ing after the doing word. And we can see the action is happening at the present time. The boy is waiting at present or now. And that is why we can say that the action is happening at the present time. Now we will learn about verbs was, were, which are the past tense form of the verb being. And we use ing form of the doing words with was and were. let's go through some examples. In the first example, Sarita was writing a story. Was is a helping verb, write is a doing word, and we have used ing after the doing word. Here, was is used because Sarita is only one and the action took place in the past. In the next example, they were going to a party. Were is a helping verb and go is a doing word, and we have used ing after the doing word. We have used here were because they talk about many people and the action took place in the past. Example, I was laughing. Was is a helping verb, laugh is a doing word, and we have used ing after the doing word. I have used was after I because it talks about one particular person and the action that took place in the past. In the next example, we were singing. Were is a helping verb, sing is a doing word, and we have used ing after the doing word. And we have used here were because we talk about many person and the action that took place in the past. In the last example, you were playing a piano. Were is a helping word, play is a doing word, and we have used ing after the doing word. Here we have used were because were is used with the word you and the action that took place in the past. I hope you have learned many things from today's class. Till then, take care and goodbye.